Talia just offered me some chicken, and I think I'm going to. Maddie, are you okay? I'm not okay.
So we're currently at Korean barbecue. Just finished our diet fast, which is for 3 weeks. Maddie couldn't eat meat. I couldn't eat any sugar, animal products, carbs, basically anything. And Talia,
I didn't do it. So. And she's the one who got the meat first.
Yeah, we're currently just here. It'll make you really sad because you can't eat it.
Get this. Eat. Ellie, eat. You need to eat. Wait, you guys. Wait. Oh my god. You ready? Dip it. Oh my gosh. Is this your first taste of meat?
I don't know.
Is it good? Oh yeah. Okay, we'll be back to you. We're gonna enjoy it for a little bit and bye. It's only been past an hour. Yeah.
We're still. Look how clear this is.
Look at this. Feast your eyes.
Okay, we'll be back soon. This is our update. What time is it?
It is 2:14.
Yep, alright. Okay, hey guys, so I don't know where we are.
There's an eyelash.
Yeah.
So we look really weird because
okay, let's walk around.
So
It's so clear.
I know.
It might end up being a fail, so I apologize. All these pots and pans.
They have, okay, look. They have.
Wait, I can't show the. Where's the sign?
Here, I'll switch the camera.
Where's the sign? How do I zoom in?
Just zoom in on them.
So they have chopstick. I really think I need a chopstick right now. Sorry guys, this is my first time vlog. No, it's not. This is really nice. It's like 79 cents.
Oh, my mom has that.
Oh yeah.
Exact thing.
I think everyone has one of those, right?
Yeah.
So it's so clear, I can't. Woo! And you can take pictures with this, right?
Yeah.
We
Okay.
don't look. We're not even buying. There's just like these popsicle thingies just right here.
Oh, I would buy that.
Interesting. My parents used to make me come here when I was little.
Oh, I found the rest of them.
Oh.
Yeah. Let's go somewhere else.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
Fortune cake?
What? I'm confusion. What is this? Okay, this looks good. Oh my god, it looks so good.
Hi.
We just saw a lady shushing a customer. I don't know what that's I don't know what that's about, but and there's more bread. I can't eat bread. I know, I can't think about food right now because
I want boba. Currently going to the couches because we're super lazy.
Yeah, I don't feel that full anymore.
The amount of people that were staring at us for holding this camera, I am so sorry.
It's okay.